I woke up in Nashville, and 'cause those Broadway lights don't shine the way that your eyes did.
We made it to Nashville. I have finally convinced this guy to come to Nashville with me. It's my favorite city, and we're finally here. We're about to go get some breakfast at Not Another Broken Egg, which is a chain, but I've never been to it outside of Nashville. And they have the best blueberry lemon goat cheese pancakes, and I have been craving them since I had them last time I was here about like 3 years ago. I hope he likes it too.
Hungry, we need food.
We arrived at 5 a.m. this morning, and luckily our hotel let us check in super early, 3 a.m. our time. And so we were able to sleep, and now we can just full on enjoy the day. All right, let's go. And a little PSA, calories do not count outside your zip code. Alright guys, so we finished walking around downtown. It is super hot out here, like the humidity is insane, but it's still so much fun. Ubered over to 12 South, which is just a street full of restaurants, shops, and like cute murals you can take photos in front of. And there's also Five Daughters Bakery, which I didn't get a chance to go to last time I was in Nashville, so I definitely made it over here on the first day to make sure I got some donuts. We got the lemon blueberry glaze, which is one of this month's special flavors, and then a vanilla bean glaze. I am so excited to try these. All right, so I think the first one that I'm gonna try is the lemon glaze, because I don't want to ruin the blueberry if I taste that one first. I'm recording two different things. That is really good. That tastes like, it tastes like a glazed donut, but like 100 times better. All right, so now onto the blueberry lemon glaze. Take a look at that. That is a beautiful donut. It's so good looking. I'm gonna get this part, like the glaze, right here. Oh, here's this one's really good. There is like, it's filled with lemon. So good. Alright guys, so we are, please. Rude. Alright guys, we made it through our first night in Nashville.
Barely.
Yeah, it definitely got the best of us, mostly him. But we trained for this. We trained, like that's what we had telling ourselves, like we've been drinking, trying to build our tolerances, and it worked.
Yeah.
We stayed out till 3 in the morning, we closed the bar down. We were dancing at one bar at Floor Georgia Line. We had like the whole dance floor to ourselves, and it was so much fun. Like, it was a blast. And we didn't wake up till like 12:30, and it's now 3 p.m. and we're now just finishing breakfast at the Pancake Pantry in Hillsboro. I've never been to the Hillsboro area, so now we're just gonna walk around and see some shops and see what else is around here.
There's so many wall murals around here.
So many wall murals. There's a lip one a few blocks up that I'm gonna go take a photo.
She has a list of murals that she wants to take pictures in front of.
Yeah, I have a whole list of everything, like rooftops, bars, a bunch of food. Like, we've been eating really good food this whole trip. That's only our second day.
Yeah.
And then tonight we're gonna hit the Gulch and go to like a rooftop bar and then end the night on Broadway again, because there's no better way to end the night.
Thank you.
And so yeah, I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Bye.
Peace.
I'm a chain smoking, whiskey drinking son of a bitch. If you wanna roll with us, you gotta do it like this.
some moonshine tasting, and we're still walking, so that's definitely a plus.
Sign.
Yeah, definitely a good sign. And right now we're on, what is this bridge called?
Some really long name, Peterson something.
We're on the pedestrian bridge, walking across the river from downtown Nashville.
If I looked at my notes in my phone, I could tell you.
Yeah, she has a novel in her phone.
All right, guys, we're checking back in. So last night was a relatively chill night. We went a little too hard the first night, and then we enjoyed our pancakes at the Pancake Pantry yesterday, walked around, and then, so last night we kind of walked all around, went to Rooftop in Gulch, LA Jackson, which I heard was really cool. I wasn't expecting it to be that crowded. And then we walked down to Broadway. That was a ruckus, so we're like, oh, let's just keep walking. We want to find some more live music. So walked back to the Gulch, didn't work out too much. So then walked back down to Broadway, actually found a bar, Nashville CrossRoads, and we had a drink there. My boyfriend actually asked me to slow dance after he told me he didn't want to dance that night. He was like Tennessee Whiskey came on, and he asked me to dance. I was like, I thought you'd never ask. It was so cool, perfect way to end the night. Walked our way, made our way back to the hotel, decided to walk back. Walked a total of 9 miles yesterday. And then this morning got another late start. Sleep is really good though, but then needed client emails, so we made our way to Milk and Honey, which was kind of overhyped food place in Nashville. I wouldn't say it's the best. Nothing to write home about. And then we went to 6th and Peabody. It's like the Yeehaw Brewery and Old Smoky Moonshine. So good. Ton of games outside, moonshine tastings. Like, I don't drink beer, so the fact they had moonshine tastings, that's my cup of tea, all right? So that was awesome. And we just did a few like errands, picked up a few like souvenirs, and now we're making our way back to the hotel, refreshing up, and get ready for our last night in Nashville. He was saying that he doesn't want to go too hard, and I'm like, it's our last night. Like, we have to live it up. Yeah?
What's up?
It's our last night. We have to live it up.
I guess so. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna last.
I'm gonna make him last. We already did moonshine tastings plus the moonshine drink. He had to give away my free beer of the tastings.
I told her I didn't want to drink, and she has this tasting moonshine.
But you were glad.
Okay, I was.
It was a cool experience.
When in Rome.
Yeah. So I don't know if I'll be vlogging later or not. I don't know. I might be a little tipsy. We'll see. We'll see where the night takes us.